All right, guys. I had a pretty cool bike show up at the bike shop today, and I wanted to make a quick video and just talk about it a little bit. It's a 1996 GT Performer, and it's only missing a few little things. It's got some surface rust, but I did want to show off the bike. It's definitely a cool bike. It's got the original levers. It's gonna need some grips. Original stem. Gyro. It's got the Bulldog brake, the Dicomp Bulldog, which is stock. The mags. So you can see we got a little bit of rust, but overall still pretty clean.
Hey, what's up, Marcus? How you been, man? You just making a cameo today? Yeah. Huh? Cool. Cool. You know Tito.
So you guys can see here some surface buildup.
Old timer. Yeah. So now he's back drawing plans for you to
Dominator seat.
We're using AI now. We only need him 1 day a week. 1 day every 8 a.m. Artificial mark. We ate
4130.
Have you eaten the Phi Thai down there by the runner's market? You know what I'm talking about? For Kingston Pike?
Yeah.
Or Black Horse.
Yeah.
And I was looking, I was like, you could call that Faith AI. And right after I said that, he said they're eating, and a Waitron came out. You seen a Waitron? It's a robot waitress, and she was carrying had 2 trays in her belly.
All right, super cool bike. They're going to be refinishing it or getting it back to rideable condition, so maybe they'll stop back by sometime. But yeah, thanks for looking. It's a really cool bike. All right, GT.